2016 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8 beast. All the way from California. He just moved here. Was watching us in California and said, when I got to Tennessee, I said, I gotta come here. Come on down. 4 factory converters, 2 there, 1 there, and 1 there. Then they come originally true dualed from the factory. Mustang sounds so good. They come true dualed into a single muffler. So we cut that off and ran true duals into a FLOWMASTER Super 10, part number 8425154. There will be a link in the description for it, guys. But you do have to add pipe to it, as you guys can see, to make it fit. And got a little bit of custom bending. So you can't do it yourself. You should take it to a shop. Then 2 tailpipes, 2 1/4, all the way back. And he wanted them out the sides on each side there and there. And then we also installed 2 pneumatic tips, black chrome there and there. So came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. There it is, FLOWMASTER Super 10 True Duals. There it is, Tundra. There's the muffler. That's how the muffler looks like. It comes dual in, and then usually comes out single out the back. And then he had a custom tip on it that we're gonna need to take off and get back and put on his other truck. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys didn't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. That's perfect. It's alive now. Here's sound decibel. 114. It sounds so good. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know in the comments. Go ahead and back it up. Toyota Tundra FLOWMASTER True Dual Super 10. It is a long bit. That's why. Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tacoma with True Duals FLOWMASTER Super 10. Looks really clean. Oh yeah, this sounds really nice. Enjoy, guys.